What if I told you that some of the most important scuba diving safety equipment that you can own costs less than a meal at a dive resort? Many divers spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on dive computers, regulators, cameras and lights. But some of the cheapest pieces of gear can have the biggest impact when something goes wrong underwater. Welcome to Valkyrie Divers. My name is Gerard, and in today's video, we're looking at 7 inexpensive items that every diver should consider carrying on every dive. Some cost less than $10, and one of them could genuinely save your life. When divers think about safety equipment, they often think big: BCDs, regulators, dive computers. But emergencies are often solved by simple tools. A tangled line, a separated buddy, a delayed descent, a boat that can't see you. These situations are often managed using small pieces of equipment that are easy to carry and inexpensive to buy. So number one is the DSMB, or Delayed Surface Marker Buoy. If you're diving from a boat, drifting in current or surfacing away from the dive site, a DSMB helps boats to see you. Many dive accidents occur because divers surface far from the boat and become difficult to spot. A brightly coloured DSMB makes you visible from a much greater distance. For many divers, this is the single most important safety item they carry. A DSMB is only useful if you can deploy it. That's where a finger spool comes in. A simple spool allows you to deploy your DSMB safely from depth. It has many other uses as well, such as for navigation or search patterns, temporary tie-offs, emergency problem solving. A quality finger spool costs very little and takes up almost no space. Number 3 is a cutting device. Fishing line, microfilament, netting, rope, all of these can trap a diver. A small line cutter or dive knife can help free you or your buddy if entanglement occurs. You have to remember that some locations prohibit divers from taking a knife on a dive. There are many other types of cutting devices, often much cheaper, much easier to carry, and much safer. The key to choosing a compact tool that is easy to access with either hand. My personal choice is a small line cutter that can be attached to my BCD or the strap on my dive computer or compass. But do remember, the best cutting device is the one you actually carry. Item number 4 is the whistle. It may not look impressive, but if you're on the surface in waves or current, a whistle can be incredibly effective. Voices don't travel far over wind and waves, but a whistle does. Many experienced divers attach one directly to their BCD inflator hose. It weighs almost nothing and costs only a few dollars. Number 5 is a signal mirror. Most divers never think about carrying one until they need one. A small emergency mirror can reflect sunlight over long distances and dramatically improve your visibility to boats and aircraft. Many emergency rescue kits include them for exactly that reason. A signal mirror is lightweight, durable, and extremely inexpensive. So number 6 on the list, a spare mask strap or a mask strap cover. Mask straps can and do break, usually at the most inconvenient moment. A replacement strap takes up almost no room and can prevent a dive from ending early. Many divers also use neoprene mask strap covers, which reduce the wear and tear on the mask strap and make the mask more comfortable. Also, many divers take a spare mask on the dive with them. If the strap on the one that they're wearing breaks during the dive, they simply get out their spare mask and put it on. Number 7 is a small dive slate. Communication underwater isn't always easy. Sure, we have hand signals to deal with the regular communication that we need and have to make underwater, but sometimes there are no hand signals to convey the information that you wish to pass to your dive buddy or dive lead, and miscommunication can be problematic. A slate allows you to write messages, dive plan directions, or emergency information. It's especially useful when diving with students, new buddies, or in unfamiliar conditions. A simple slate costs very little and can solve a surprising number of problems underwater. Here's a bonus item: a small backup torch, even on daytime dives. A light helps you look into crevices, inspect equipment, communicate with your buddy, and improve underwater photography. Modern LED lights are small, powerful, and again, relatively inexpensive. So let's recap. The 7 cheap items that every diver should carry are a DSMB, a finger spool, a cutting device, a whistle, a signal mirror, a spare mask strap, and a dive slate. Together, these items cost far less than most pieces of dive equipment, but they can make a huge difference when things don't go according to plan. Scuba diving is incredibly safe when we dive within our training, maintain our equipment, and prepare properly. Often the best safety equipment isn't the most expensive. It's the gear that's small, simple, reliable, and always with you. What inexpensive dive item do you never dive without? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And as always, dive calm, dive safe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.